Hi everyone, my name is Tiana Chanel, and I am the owner and creator of TianaChanellCreates.com. In today's video, we will be learning how to make this tumbler. I will be sure to list all the materials and products that I use to make this listed down below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to list them as well, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Now let's get started. We are starting with a 25-ounce shaker cup from the Stainless Steel Depot. I sanded the cup with an 80 grit sanding block and wiped it down with 91% alcohol. Then I taped off the top and the bottom and spray painted it white. Now I'm taking some painter's tape to use as a guide and a black acrylic paint marker and drawing random lines to make a unique geometric pattern on the cup. The lines does not have to be perfect. We will fix this later in the video. Now I'm going to take some apple barrel paint from Walmart in the colors Candy Pink, Bright Magenta, Caribbean, and Classic Caramel and adding it to a plate so I can paint the shapes. I will be painting the shapes in different colors. I will leave some of the shapes white for the zebra print pattern. You want to choose colors that are closely related to the rhinestones you chose. The reason for this is because you may have gaps in between the rhinestones, and this will camouflage those gaps. I painted each shape with 2 coats of paint. It does not have to be perfect, and I will let this dry for about an hour. While waiting for the cup to dry, I cut out zebra and leopard prints in black vinyl. I also cut out vinyl strips in a size 11.5 by 0.15. Once I finished cutting the vinyl out, I sanded the vinyl with a sanding block to rough up the surface and wiped it down with 91% alcohol. I added the zebra print in the white shapes and the black leopard print in the gold color shapes. I added the black vinyl strips over the lines, trimmed off any excess vinyl that was overlapping the shapes. Then I took my brown acrylic paint marker and filled in the insides of the leopard print. This is all the prep work I did to start this rhinestone tumbler. I tried to make the video short, but this was about a 2-hour process for me, maybe longer. I will be back with part 2 of this tumbler tutorial next week. Thank you for watching.